everything you can imagine becomes reality. The power to take a leap for the future. Start the change happily that has never existed before. Open Cyber University of Korea will take challenges to the world. Smart University of the Hyper-Connected Super-Intelligent Society. Let's take a look at Open Cyber University of Korea. The Open Cyber University of Korea was selected as the first test operating cyber university in Korea in February 1998. Since then, it has been a leading university in cyber education as the first cyber university in Korea. Our campus is the largest scale cyber campus in Korea that involves various academic exchanges from 84 distinguished universities in Korea, where it is providing about 400 excellent professional joint courses recommended by the chancellors from each university. The cumulative number of students exceeded 2 million by the year 2017. The Open Cyber University of Korea provides practice-oriented education by securing excellent faculty from prestigious universities in Korea and abroad. We produce diverse and specialized content and develop competitive education content in preparation for the Fourth Industrial Revolution. Our excellence is being proved by certifications from domestic and overseas third-party agencies. Also, you can study all lectures of Open Cyber University Korea anytime, anywhere on mobile. We have established HD Studio and the cutting-edge media center that allows the production of broadcasting-level lecture contents to provide a better educational environment. The media center consists of 5 studios and control room, along with the advanced multimedia system including the high-quality digital video production and network-based creation system. We have established industry academic cooperation networks with over 1,000 institutions, including major companies, governments, and public institutions in Korea. We also develop practice-oriented education content based on exchanges with various institutions, international cooperation, and joint development. The primary goal of the Open Cyber University of Korea is to achieve student satisfaction. We are offering student education services exclusively for the registered students. We are also operating the support center for disabled students and those who are in the military service. Also, we provide a high-quality learning environment, including a 140-seat complex with a large screen and seminar rooms. All the professors and faculty at the Open Cyber University of Korea are making constant efforts for our students. The Open Cyber University of Korea is showing the students the way of social participation and self-achievement through the future-oriented professional major courses. In the Division of Future Convergence, College of Counseling and Welfare, as of 2021, departments open for admission. You will find Department of Social Welfare, the light of a welfare society that practices open love. Department of Counseling Psychology, supporting one's own happiness and growth of others via specialized training in counseling psychology. The only in Korea. Integrative healing of body and mind. Curriculum for educating art healing and nature leisure healing experts. Department of Integrated Healing. Department of Defense Counseling Leadership for cultivating military officers with expertise and future vision. Department of Childcare, fostering creative and holistic childcare professionals based on Convergence Talent Education. In the College of Humanities, Arts and Technology, Division of Future Convergence. Department of Practical English, cultivating children's English teachers fluent in practice English and skilled. Department of Real Estate, leading the global era. Department of Real Estate Finance and Assets, training experts in financial asset practice. Department of Digital Business, Korea's only department that prepares the era of digital transformation and converges business administration, startup consulting, and big data. Department of Beauty Health Design, studying academics for the beautiful and healthy design of the human body. Department of Fire and Disaster Prevention and Safety that fosters experts in the field of firefighting, disaster prevention, and safety.
세상은 나를 부러워합니다.
무엇이든 할 수 있고
자신 있습니다.
새로운 가치를 만들고
이끌어 나가겠습니다.
무엇이든 도전하고
앞서 나가겠습니다.
변화와 혁신을 두려워하지 않고
즐길 수 있습니다.
우리는 한국여린사이버대학교의 자신감입니다.